Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making lemon drizzle bars, and the first thing we're going to mix is our butter. We'll need 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of soft margarine or butter, finely grated rind of 1 lemon, 1.5 cup of self-raising flour, and half a cup of whole milk. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Grease an 8-inch square cake pan and set it aside. Whisk your eggs and pour it into the mixing bowl. Add your sugar and your butter and begin to mix. Mix it until it becomes smooth and fluffy. When your mixture is ready, you stir in your lemon zest. After that, you fold in your flour lightly and evenly. And then you stir in your milk. Now your batter is ready. All you need to do is spoon the batter into your prepared cake pan, smoothing it to level properly. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until golden brown and firm to the touch. Remove from the oven and place the pan on the wire rack. Using a skewer, prick the warm cake all over. All you need to make the syrup is 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Place the confectionery sugar and the lemon juice in a small saucepan and heat gently, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Do not boil. Your syrup is ready when the sugar is completely dissolved. Spoon the hot syrup evenly over the top of the cake and let it cool completely in the pan. Then turn it out and cut it into preferable sizes. Dust with little confectionery sugar before serving. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.